Using BrowZine, a how-to guide. We're going to take a look at BrowZine. To access BrowZine, select it from the drop-down box on WorldCat. BrowZine lets you browse journals. The way you do this is by searching the journal title in the search box here, and then drilling down into the volume and issue number that you want to view the articles from a particular edition. You can also select your subject area from the list underneath and find journals this way. Another approach is to select a keyword, say for example education, and then type this in the box. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see a list that populates all the journals we have that have education in the title. When you've selected the journal you want, you can see a list of years down the left-hand side. Select your year, volume and issue number to view the articles for each edition of a journal. To access each article, just click on the article's title. You should be taken straight through to the PDF, or, if you haven't signed in, you'll be asked to sign in with your Lincoln Bishop credentials, and then you should be taken through to this page. If you need any further support with BrowZine, pop into the Hub and speak to a member of the Hub team or the Library Services, or drop the Library Services team an email at libraryhelp@lincolnbishop.ac.uk.